Unlock incredible savings on your next adventure by mastering the art of using your Expedia Airline credits. First things first, let's find your credit. Head over to Expedia.com and log into your account on your account dashboard. Look for the Trips or My Account section here. You should find an option related to your unused flights or travel funds, where your airline credit will be listed. Once you've located your credit, it's time to book your next flight. Begin by performing your usual flight search on Expedia, entering your desired destinations and dates. As you proceed through the booking process, you'll reach a payment page. This is where the magic happens. Look for a section that says Apply Credits or Use a Credit or Promo Code. Click on that, and you should see your available airline credit listed. Simply select the credit you wish to use for this booking. Expedia will automatically deduct the credit amount from your total flight cost. It's that simple. But remember, always keep an eye on the expiration date of your credit. These are usually displayed with the credit details on your account page. Booking before the expiration is crucial to avoid losing your valuable travel funds. Be aware of any potential restrictions. Some credits might be for specific airlines, routes, or may not be combinable with other offers. Carefully read the terms and conditions associated with your credit to ensure smooth redemption and maximize your savings on future travel expenses. By following these steps, you can effortlessly transform those hard-earned airline credits into your next dream vacation. Happy travels!